Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java step by step. Start with the basics. Java is a powerful, object-oriented language used in countless applications, from mobile apps to enterprise systems. To begin, install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, which provides all the necessary tools. Then, choose an integrated development environment like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse to write and manage your code efficiently. Finally, create your very first Hello World program to see Java in action. Once your environment is set up, dive into Java's fundamental concepts. Begin by understanding variables and data types, which are essential for storing information. Next, explore control flow statements such as if-else conditions and various loops, enabling your programs to make decisions and repeat actions. Finally, grasp the core principles of object-oriented programming, including encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, which are central to Java's design. As you progress, delve into more advanced Java topics. Learn about collections like array lists and hash maps for managing data efficiently. Understand exception handling to gracefully manage errors, and explore file input/output operations for reading and writing data. Consistent practice is key. Work on small coding challenges daily. Consider building a personal project, perhaps a simple calculator or a task manager, to apply your knowledge practically. Learning Java is an ongoing journey. Keep up to date with new Java releases, as the language evolves with exciting features and improvements. Actively participate in the vibrant Java developer community. Forums and online groups offer invaluable support and learning opportunities. Consider exploring popular frameworks like Spring Boot, which significantly streamline the development of robust, production-ready applications. This continuous engagement will solidify your expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.